Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape. I want to show you what we've been able to do on this landscape. Not only were we able to waterproof this landscape by being able to bring in our decorative gravel and our river rock, but we also solved a major landscape problem on this customer's landscape that dealt with the water that was coming off of this hillside that now is going to be able to be taken into this custom dry creek bed that I came up with that now allow the water to be able to move through this particular dry creek bed, and it does so in the most effective way because it says that now that water is going to be sucked up as it moves through this landscape. But we didn't stop there. We went all the way around this existing home with the beautiful decorative gravel and river rock, and it gave this customer so much more value than that of what they could have ever expected. But that's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscape, and it's the reason we become the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what we were able to do on this landscape today. We're dealing with the water coming off of this hillside as well as that water which was coming from the neighbor's yard, and as you can see, in an exceptional fashion, it was coming through this landscape. But we've been able to deal with that and solve that problem by coming up with this custom dry creek bed design that allowed for me to be able to take my water all the way through this area. And as you can see, I'm in the belly of this landscape right now, and it says that as that water moves through that river rock, it's going to be able to suck itself up. And that's why we call this a dry creek bed, because as the water moves through this area, guys, it's going to be sucked up by the aggregate that you see here. So not only do we have the 6-inch decorative river rock, but we also have the 1 to 2 inch decorative gravel, and both of those in combination is going to allow for us to be able to suck up that water while also keeping it from hitting the bare dirt based on the erosion control fabric that we have in here. So these are just some of the ways in which we've been able to give our customer their landscape back, and most importantly, give them an outdoor landscape design that is absolutely going to last a lifetime. And that's what we've done on this landscape. That's what we look forward to doing for you. If you're in a position and you're looking for an outdoor landscape transformation, guys, guess what? You don't have to look far. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, we're located right here in the Paulding County area. We're right here in the Bentwater 7 Hills area, dealing with the water coming in from the neighbor's yard and off of this hillside, which I'm sure a lot of you all are familiar with. And you're going to be able to get the same solution that we've given this customer, even that of being able to find yourself in a position where you can waterproof your foundation. All brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.